In LANs, multiple genes can be grouped together into a gene set. This allows multiple genes to be searched or filtered using a single term. We will create a gene set of all members of the Jun transcription factor family, Jun, Jun-B, and Jun-D. In a text file, name a header, then list each gene on a separate line. Save the file, then go back to OncoLand. Under Manage, Genes, Manage Gene Sets, click the Add Gene Sets button. Let's name our new gene set. Give at least one tag, then under Metadata, choose Load from Tab Delimited File. We can now search for our new gene set. The results will be the same as if you had searched for each Jun family member. We can look at the correlation of expression of these genes as a heat map grouped by tumor, or we can see the sample expression levels for each gene, or a scatter plot of the correlation of expression for each pair of genes.